Bed bugs can be a real nightmare. They hide in cracks, furniture, and mattresses, feeding at night. While professional pest control is the most reliable solution, there are several effective home remedies that can help reduce or eliminate bed bugs naturally. Here are 7 proven methods you can try. 1. Heat treatment. Bed bugs cannot survive extreme heat. Wash all bedding, clothes, and fabric items in hot water at least 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Dry them on the highest heat setting for at least 30 minutes. For non-washable items, leave them in the sun or use a steam cleaner. 2. Diatomaceous earth. This natural powder kills bed bugs by dehydrating them. Sprinkle a light layer on mattresses, bed frames, cracks, and crevices. Leave it for a few days, then vacuum thoroughly. Use food-grade diatomaceous earth for safety. 3. Vacuuming regularly. Vacuuming can physically remove bed bugs and eggs. Focus on mattresses, furniture seams, carpets, and baseboards. After vacuuming, seal and dispose of the vacuum bag outside immediately. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda may help absorb moisture and kill bed bugs. Spread baking soda on infested areas. Leave it for a few days, then vacuum and reapply. 5. Essential oils. Tea tree oil, lavender, peppermint. Certain oils have insecticidal properties. Mix 10 to 15 drops of essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Spray on bed frames, mattresses, and hiding spots. Tea tree oil is the most effective among common oils. 6. Rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Kills bed bugs on direct contact. Fill a spray bottle with 91% isopropyl alcohol. Spray directly on visible bed bugs and infested areas. Use caution. Alcohol is flammable and should not be sprayed near flames. 7. Double-sided tape or bedbug traps. Prevents bed bugs from climbing onto your bed. Place double-sided tape around bed legs or use commercial bed bug interceptor cups. This helps trap bugs and reduce bites while you sleep. Conclusion. While these remedies can reduce bed bug infestations, they may not completely eliminate them in severe cases. Combine several methods for better results, and if the problem persists, contact a professional exterminator.